Welcome to the Pathway Genomics at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product and further details can be found in the description below. Pathway Genomics offers comprehensive at-home DNA testing designed to provide insights into health, wellness, and ancestry. With a focus on actionable genetic insights, it's tailored for individuals seeking to make informed lifestyle, fitness, and health decisions based on their DNA. The key features of Pathway Genomics include detailed reports on nutrition, exercise, skin health, and even predispositions to certain health conditions. Their tests can identify genetic markers linked to how your body processes nutrients, your metabolism, and your response to physical activity, enabling you to optimize your diet and fitness plans. For those interested in skincare, their reports reveal tendencies for collagen breakdown, UV sensitivity, and other factors affecting skin aging. These insights are actionable and presented alongside practical recommendations for lifestyle adjustments. Pathway Genomics also stands out in its health-related offerings. It screens for genetic predispositions to various conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. While these insights are not diagnostic, they can be valuable for understanding genetic risks and discussing them with a healthcare professional. The tests are conducted using a saliva sample, making the process simple and convenient. Results are delivered securely through an online portal, typically within a few weeks. This DNA kit is ideal for health-conscious individuals who want a deeper understanding of how their genetics influence their daily life and long-term wellness. However, it's important to note that Pathway Genomics focuses heavily on health and wellness. Those primarily interested in ancestry might find its genealogical features less robust compared to dedicated ancestry services. In summary, Pathway Genomics provides a well-rounded approach to DNA testing for those looking to enhance their lifestyle, fitness, and health decisions through genetic insights. If you're interested in a kit that empowers you to take proactive steps for your health, check out the links in the description.